Getting about this. Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are fixing, or I'm not sure if this thing even works. I don't know. This is the fuel pump that I got with the fuel tank. I believe I got a really good deal. I got the fuel tank and the fuel pump for 200 bucks, which is, like I said, that's a really good deal. So I ordered this kit from JP Cycles. I thought it had the filters, stuff like that. When I went back to try to order the filters, they said I couldn't order it because they're not legal for delivery in California. So, yep, California once again. So I was able to get just the filter, but for some reason I wasn't able to order this filter right here. So there's a little filter in here. I wasn't able to order this. I don't know, something with California. So I ended up just ordering, like I said, this kit from JP Cycles, All Balls Racing. It's made in China, so I'm pretty sure if you were to order this rebuild kit from Harley, it's also going to be made in China. I'm almost certain. So hey, in case you're wondering and you're ordering this, what's in it? So of course the fuel pump's not in it, obviously. This is also not in it. So this is why I was just saying I was a little surprised that it was missing these parts. So this is what's in it right here. Not really a unboxing, but who knows, maybe I'll make this into a two-part unboxing. So like I said, this is the All Balls Racing overhaul rebuild kit made in China. Fits most Sportsters. They did say on the website, it did say that my roadster is compatible, but mine's a 2016. So this is a little odd. This is 2017 to 2020 roadster. Yeah, I'm not too sure. So this fuel pump, I don't know what year this fuel pump is. So I don't even know. Alright, so anyways, we have, of course, the filter and the pump. What's in this kit? Of course, you have the pump. That's the pump that you get, kind of like that other kit that's very popular, that light blue one. I'm not sure. You also have a little locking mechanism here for the pump. You have the sleeve. Based off of the videos, this sleeve's not the same one as this one. You guys, I don't know. I'm not too sure how you're supposed to go about this, but this sleeve is not the same sleeve. You need to have this sleeve because you can see the base. It's attached. You have like a mounting, or I think this is part of the foundation to kind of keep the pump upright. So you have that. You have the filter. This is this part, obviously, that goes in there and then folds up, so you guys can get an idea. I think we are going to replace this. You have some zip ties, kind of like you do right here. Two zip ties. You also have some clamps. These clamps are your what is this, a tube, this line from the filter to the pump. You have that. You also have that same line that you see here. You can see that, but this one's maybe twice as long. You can see how much longer this is. So I don't know if we're gonna end up using this. This one still feels pretty sturdy. It feels really good. It still feels good. The pump itself, I mean, it looks like it's in good condition. I've seen some videos where this is all torn up and jacked up, the filter and stuff like that. This has been out of the fuel tank for some time now, so there is no fuel in here. You still have that scent, that smell of fuel, of gas, but it's not that bad. So where were we? Oh yeah, that's right. So you get that. You get of course this zip ties, this little sleeve. And they also provide this this gasket. This is the bottom right here. You can see that's the same gasket. So I'm guessing this is the OEM one provided from Harley. And like I said, the fella that sent me the fuel tank provided me with a few extra things. These are the bolts for the fuel pump. This is what attaches the gas tank. And then of course he also gave me a gasket. You know, it looks the same. I don't know. I mean, they're exactly the same. So he also provided this as well. As of right now, I don't know if the fuel tank has any leaks. I already red coated it. I put a sealer on the inside. Hopefully that, you know, helps with rust and leaking. So we'll see what happens.